Hey everyone, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and today I am going to be folding laundry with you. So I'm using the front camera. You're gonna see the light blinking on or off like that because front camera isn't that good, but yeah. So I'm going to be folding my laundry, which I did on Sunday morning. I woke up around 5 o'clock because there was load shedding at my mother's place. There was load shedding from 9 to 11 and I couldn't wait to go there after 11 o'clock. It was going to be very late for me to do laundry around 11, especially on a Sunday. So I opted to go very early so that I can catch up with the load shedding. So I came back, slept. I finished around 8 o'clock and I came back and slept again because the previous day I went to some places and I came back tired. So I came back, slept after the laundry, woke up around 12, started making lunch, and after lunch I slept again. I was with my son the whole day. Then later I had Teams meeting around 5 o'clock. I had to attend the meeting and didn't fold the laundry. So guys, I am only folding it now, as during the week I'm being distracted outside. There's a little bit of some wind making woo. Then here is the laundry, guys. So this is what is going on here. This is what is going on, and this laundry is a 2 weeks laundry. So yeah, I am going to be folding it right now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. now.
Traveling the mountains just to find the loudest seas. We said down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club. Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. 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 I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground so we can fly again. So we can fly again.
That's it, guys, for today's video. At least it's well organized. All I have to do is just put it in the wardrobe, hang what I have to hang, and leave the bed empty. So thank you for joining me. Please subscribe to my channel, and I love you so much. Thank you. Bye.